Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another Pinterest recreation video. Since you girls love the last Pinterest recreation video that I did so much, I decided to bring it back. Not to mention everything that we're dealing with right now happening. We were going through the government shutdown. People weren't getting paid, but at the same time, people still need to live life. So instead of spending money, I wanted to encourage my fashion girls to shop your closet and to ease your mind and give yourself a stress relief by going outside. Just getting dressed and making yourself feel good. That's why I decided to do this video, along with how well you girls received the last Pinterest recreation video. I don't want to make this intro long and drawn out. Y'all already know the routine. Like the video, leave me a comment, let me know which look you like the best and which look you want to recreate, because I'm telling you, we have pieces in our closet to put together a fly fit. Let me just say this too before I get into it. Pinterest is one of the largest search engines. You can go to Pinterest for everything. Any type of inspiration, Pinterest is the place to go. I tend to go to Pinterest more so for fashion inspiration. And I want to let you know, if you are not a fashion girl that really know how to put looks together, Pinterest is the place for you. With that being said, let's get into the first look. I know you can kind of see it a little bit. Let me step back so you can really get a good look, girl. Okay, I saw this picture right here and it caught my eye. It caught my eye because number one, the Cardigan. When I saw that, I said, whoa, I have something similar to that. And then the denim top with the faux leather leggings. Now, I knew I didn't have a denim top like this, but I knew I had a denim top. These faux leather leggings look green in the picture. I think they are green, but either way it go, I don't have green, but I had black. And I don't have those khaki looking light boots right there. But honey, I knew I had, I don't know if you could see them, but I knew I had these. I was like, yes, 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 yes. Let's recreate this look. And voila, this is the look. But in the picture, there is a burgundy handbag. And I have this. Now, I know you see I have on silver, and honey, we can mix. We can mix the metals. We can mix the colors. Gold, silver, and she still eats. All right, next up is this look here. Again, because Pinterest is just the guide, is just the blueprint, and you shop your closet and you get the pieces that you have that's similar to the picture. Now, I do not have a gold cardigan like this. I don't have a gold t-shirt, but what I did was I combined the two. I have a long sleeve sweatshirt that I've been having for, I think, a couple of years now. So I pulled this out, faux leather shorts from my birthday look. You saw that vlog? If you haven't, go check it out. And I don't have printed footed tights, but I still had the ones from my birthday look. So I put these on, black boots. And honey, I recreated this look from shopping my closet, recreated it my way. I don't know about you, but I love it. It is super cute. And I would definitely keep this look together to wear somewhere, I don't know. Remember, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Let me show you the back, because everyone always wants to see the back. I have to hold the mic because the neck is all the way up here and you won't be able to hear me. But, check out the picture so we could talk about it. Now, this is a street look. When I saw this picture, I wish I had some camo pants. Like, I love everything about this look. From the red New York fitted. I don't know if it's a fitted or a snapback, but the black sweetheart. Y'all see that? Oh, super cute. The red crop blazer. Let me tell you my thought process when I saw the picture and I really wanted to recreate this look. I thought about, I don't have camo pants, but I have some camo shorts. Okay. Then the brains start working. I don't have a red crop blazer, but I do have a white one. And since she has the black sweetheart top, I knew I had a black top that I could pair with it. Actually, this is a sleeveless bodysuit. Because I had the black sleeveless bodysuit, black boots, and I knew I had a black hat. It's not a New York hat, it's just a black trucker hat. In my head, I'm like, okay, let's see what this is looking like. You know, it looked good in your head, but it's not till you put it on. Y'all, I put it on and I thought I was just super cute, and Chloe was like, that don't look good. The nerve. But she didn't like it. I like it. It's a street look. Now she has glasses on, y'all, and I want to put some on, but I don't want to mess my makeup up because I still have more filming to do. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Now, back to the regular schedule program. Y'all want to see the glasses? I'm going to put them on real quick and then I'll take them off. I want y'all to see the completed look. Give me a second. These are the glasses that I chose. What y'all think? I'm going to take the glasses off because I don't want it to start messing up my makeup. Take the glasses off. Bring in the black bag because I don't know if you can see, but she does have a black bag that has like a little gold chain on it. Y'all, this is the look. But I want to show you. This is the look I recreated from the picture. But this is how I'm actually going to wear it whenever I wear it. Let me show you. Now, this is the look. Not a blazer, but honey, a denim jacket. And yes, I am a woman of a particular age because I've been seeing on TikTok where they said, you know, you an auntie if you throw a denim jacket on with your outfit. I don't know who came up with that, but honey, a denim jacket goes with anything. Any outfit, okay? You can dress it up, you can make it casual, you can do whatever with the denim jacket, honey. So if that's what it is, then honey, I'm an auntie, okay? I'm an auntie. You can really pop any color blazer you want. I chose white because this is what I have. But that white, I actually like the way it looks. You might not like it, or you may like it. Let me know in the comments. I'm on my street style-ish. I love it. Here we are with the last Pinterest recreation look of the day. Now y'all see this picture? This picture caught my eye because it contains everything that I love. I love animal print, leopard, cheetah, whatever. Green, y'all know green, that's my birthday color. Black, baby, everyone loves classic black. And the fedora. So what I did was I knew I did not have green shorts like in the picture, but I had a green blazer. I have an animal print handbag, but in my head, I was thinking since I have a green blazer and instead of a black top, I'm going to put black bottoms and then I'm going to put the animal print shirt, layer it with the green blazer and top it with the fedora because I knew I had these items, the colors. Again, Pinterest is a guide. So if you see a picture and you know you have items like that, but it's not exactly the same, baby, mix it up and recreate the look the same way that I did. Let me show you something. Now, because I reside in Houston, Texas, and we are still not experiencing the fall, we had 2 days of fall and now we're back to like springish weather. If it's a situation like that, I can still recreate it. You see this, the animal print, black, the green, the fedora. I still recreated this picture. I have the same color scheme, the exact same color scheme. So girl, shop your closet and put that ish on. And girl, let me put the bag down. If you are here now, girl, I love you, girl. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for rocking with me today. I just need you to do a couple of things for me. I need you to thumbs up this video. That means you like it. I need you to leave me a comment and to let me know that you have made it to this portion of the video. Leave me some black hearts in the comments. And I need you to share the video. Share this video with all of your fashion friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel, okay? Do that for me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are growing, and I thank you all for that. And honey, I will see each one of you, same place, same channel, in the next video. Adios, squirrel.